Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Marble is a natural stone formed from limestone under intense heat and pressure deep within the earth. Used for thousands of years, it became a symbol of durability, beauty, and prestige in ancient civilizations such as Greece and Rome. Today, marble remains widely valued across the world. In modern architecture and interior decoration, marble is found in floors, walls, countertops, staircases, and bathrooms. Its natural patterns, smooth finish, and ability to reflect light make marble a preferred material for both functional and decorative purposes in contemporary design. Turkey is considered one of the world's leading marble producers, with numerous high-quality quarries spread across different regions such as Marmara and Burdur. These areas are known for producing marble with distinct colors, patterns, and physical properties. Thanks to vast natural reserves and a well-developed stone industry, Turkey plays a dominant role in the global marble market, supplying more than 40% of worldwide demand. Extracting marble from quarries requires a wide variety of specialized tools and heavy machinery. One of the most important steps is the careful preparation of the rock face. Workers drill a series of holes directly into the marble to create controlled weak points. These holes make it easier to separate large blocks from the quarry wall without damaging the stone. To complete the separation, hydrodynamic cushions or smaller marble wedges are inserted, applying pressure until the block breaks free along natural cleavage planes. Once the blocks are extracted, they must be transported from the quarry face. Excavators and other heavy vehicles are used for this task, each selected based on the size and weight of the marble. Transportation methods have evolved significantly over the centuries, from animal power in ancient times to modern trucks and loaders. Every day, dozens of trucks carry marble blocks from quarries to processing facilities. At the processing plants, the first step is cutting the massive blocks into slabs of uniform thickness. Gang saws equipped with tungsten blades are commonly used for this purpose. Water is continuously applied during cutting to cool the blades and prevent overheating. These large slabs are then handled using powerful vacuum holders, which allow workers to move them safely without causing cracks or surface damage. After cutting, the slabs undergo multiple grinding stages to achieve a smooth and even surface. Additional treatments, such as flaming or sandblasting, may be applied depending on the desired texture. Polishing is a crucial final step, as it enhances the stone's shine and helps make the marble more resistant to moisture. Polished marble is especially popular for indoor spaces, where its glossy appearance can be fully appreciated. With annual production reaching millions of tons and reserves estimated in the billions, Turkey's marble industry continues to grow. Advances in technology, such as laser-guided disc saws and precision cutting equipment, have further improved efficiency and quality. As global construction activity expands, marble remains a timeless material, valued for its beauty, durability, and practicality in both traditional and modern design. The Pawon, a traditional stone stove from Indonesia, stands as a powerful symbol of the nation's deep cultural heritage and hands-on craftsmanship. Commonly found in rural Javanese households, the Pawon is more than a cooking tool. It represents warmth, togetherness, and hospitality, values that are central to daily life. The production of a pawon begins with a selection of raw materials. Clay-rich soil is often sourced locally, while bricks and cement may be added to strengthen the structure. Artisans carefully prepare these materials, mixing clay with water until it reaches the right consistency. This mixture must be firm enough to hold its shape, but flexible enough to be molded by hand. Once the material is ready, the base of the pawon is shaped. In many villages, the preparation process is passed down through generations, relying on experience rather than precise measurements. Craftsmen form a solid platform that will support cooking pots and withstand constant exposure to heat. The fire chamber is then carved or molded into the structure, creating space for wood or charcoal. Openings are designed to allow airflow, which is essential for maintaining steady combustion. Proper airflow ensures efficient burning and reduces excessive smoke inside the kitchen. After shaping, the stove is left to dry naturally. This drying stage is critical, as moisture trapped inside the material could cause cracks once the stove is used. Depending on the climate, drying can take several days. In some regions, the pawon is further hardened through controlled firing, similar to pottery, which increases durability and heat resistance. Once fully cured, the pawon is installed in the kitchen, often at floor level. Its low height encourages a seated cooking position, which is common in traditional Indonesian households. Smoke from the pawon also plays a secondary role, helping preserve wooden kitchen structures and repel insects. Despite the spread of modern gas and electric stoves, the pawon remains widely used in rural areas. Its continued production reflects practicality, affordability, and respect for tradition. Himalayan salt, often known as pink salt, is a natural mineral formed over millions of years through the evaporation of ancient seawater. These salt deposits were gradually buried beneath layers of rock and sediment, where intense heat and pressure from the Earth's crust refined and preserved them. This long geological process occurred during the uplift of the Himalayas, giving the salt its distinctive pink color and high mineral content. When salt deposits lie deep underground, mining operations rely on tunnels and galleries to reach them safely. These underground passages allow miners to access the salt while maintaining the stability of the surrounding rock. In areas where deposits are closer to the surface, excavators and other heavy machines are used to remove soil and rock layers, exposing the salt formations beneath. Careful extraction is essential to preserve the quality and structure of the salt. After extraction, the raw salt is transported to processing facilities using trucks or conveyor systems. These methods are chosen to reduce unnecessary handling and limit environmental disturbance. At the processing site, the salt undergoes cutting and shaping. One of the most common techniques is diamond disc saw cutting, which uses a rotating metal disc coated with diamond particles. This method allows precise cuts while minimizing material loss. For large production volumes, automated cutting machines are preferred due to their speed and consistency. Smaller batches or custom pieces, however, are often shaped by hand to achieve specific sizes or designs. Once cut, the salt is crushed into smaller pieces and thoroughly cleaned to remove impurities, such as dust or stone fragments. The cleaned salt is then graded according to size and purity. Fine grains are typically destined for culinary use, where they're valued for seasoning and food preparation. After grading, the salt is carefully packaged and prepared for distribution to markets around the world. Beyond the kitchen, Himalayan salt has become highly popular for decorative applications. It is used in candle holders, wall features, sculptures, and tabletop accents that bring warmth and natural character into living spaces. Decorative salt lamps, which emit a soft amber glow, are crafted by shaping solid salt blocks and mounting them onto secure bases with electrical components. Himalayan salt lamps are especially admired for their natural beauty and perceived wellness benefits. Together, these uses highlight how an ancient mineral continues to find modern relevance in homes, wellness spaces, and everyday life. Together, marble, the Pawon, and Himalayan salt tell a much larger story about humanity's enduring relationship with natural materials. Shaped by geological forces over millions of years and refined by human skill across centuries, these resources bridge the past and the present. Marble continues to define grandeur in architecture and interior design, combining strength with timeless beauty. The Pawon remains a symbol of cultural continuity, showing how traditional knowledge and simple materials can sustain daily life and community values. Himalayan salt, once hidden deep beneath the earth, now finds new purpose in kitchens, homes, and wellness spaces around the world. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.